The hype is real. The anticipation has been building for months and the excitement is palpable. Fans and tech enthusiasts alike have been eagerly waiting for this moment. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25, a phone that promises to redefine the boundaries of mobile technology. The Samsung Galaxy S series. Every year, it's one of the most anticipated phone releases. From the very first Galaxy S to the latest, each model has pushed the envelope in terms of innovation and design. And this year, the Galaxy S25 is no different. It's a culmination of years of research, development, and listening to user feedback. People have been waiting for this phone for months. There are rumors, there are leaks, speculations have been running wild on social media and tech forums, and now, it's finally here. The moment we've all been waiting for. The unboxing experience alone is a testament to Samsung's attention to detail. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. From the first touch, the Galaxy S25 feels premium. The build quality is exceptional, and the design is sleek and modern. I've been using the S25 for the past week. Whether I'm at home, in the office, or out and about, it has seamlessly integrated into my daily life. And let me tell you, Samsung has delivered. The performance is top-notch, and the user experience is smooth and intuitive. It's a phone packed with the latest tech. From the powerful processor to the vibrant display, every component has been carefully selected to provide the best possible experience. It has a stunning new design. The camera? It's next level. With advanced features and improved sensors, it captures photos and videos with incredible clarity and detail. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just need a new phone, the S25 is worth a serious look. It's not just a phone, it's a statement of what's possible in the world of mobile technology. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is here, and it's ready to impress. Sleek design, a closer look. First impressions matter, and the S25 makes a statement. It's sleek, it's modern, it feels great in the hand. Samsung has really refined the design language this year. The bezels around the display are almost non-existent. The front camera is discreetly tucked away in a tiny punch hole. The back of the phone is where things get interesting. The camera array is seamlessly integrated into the body. It doesn't protrude much, unlike some other phones. This makes the phone look and feel more premium. It fits comfortably in your pocket. No more camera bumps snagging on your clothes. Display, bright, vivid, and ultra smooth. Let's talk about this display. Wow, Samsung knows displays. And the S25's screen is a testament to that. It's a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. Colors pop, blacks are deep, everything is incredibly sharp. But what truly sets this display apart is the 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling is buttery smooth. Animations are fluid. Gaming is more responsive. Trust me, once you experience 120 Hz, you won't want to go back, and even under direct sunlight, the display holds up. It gets super bright so you can still see everything clearly. Powerhouse performance, Exynos, and Snapdragon. Under the hood, the S25 is a beast. Depending on your region, you'll get either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Both are absolute powerhouses. I've been using the Exynos variant and it handles everything I throw at it. Multitasking is a breeze. Apps open instantly. Gaming? No problem. The S25 can handle even the most demanding games with ease. And with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, lag is a thing of the past. This phone is built for speed. Section 5 camera, 200 megapixels of pure imaging prowess. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is here to redefine what we expect from smartphone photography. With a staggering 200 MP main sensor, this device is set to capture every detail with unparalleled clarity. The camera is where the S25 truly shines. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking photos, this phone has something for everyone. Samsung has really outdone themselves this year. The 200 MP sensor isn't just a number, it's a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. We're talking about a 200 megapixel main sensor. This means you can zoom in on your photos and still retain incredible detail. That's right, 200 megapixels. Imagine the possibilities for cropping and editing without losing quality. The detail you can capture is insane. From the texture of a leaf to the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings, nothing is missed. But it's not just about megapixels. The S25's camera system is versatile and designed to handle any situation. The S25 also boasts a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting everyone into a group shot, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. This allows for stunning close-ups and portraits with beautiful background blur. From landscapes to portraits, the S25 delivers. Every shot is vibrant and full of life. Photos are sharp, colors are accurate, and the overall image quality is simply outstanding, and dynamic range is impressive. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the S25 manages to balance highlights and shadows beautifully. Even in low light, the camera manages to capture a surprising amount of detail. Night shots are clear and full of depth, making it perfect for evening photography. And the best part, the camera interface is clean and easy to use. With intuitive controls and a user-friendly layout, you can focus on capturing the moment without any hassle. Whether you're adjusting settings for a professional shoot or just snapping a quick photo, the S25's camera app makes it simple and efficient. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25's camera is a powerhouse. With its 200MP sensor, versatile lens options, and user-friendly interface, it's designed to meet the needs of every photographer. Get ready to capture the world in stunning detail. Section 6. Battery life, power through your day. Battery life is essential, and the S25 doesn't disappoint. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of use. Even with heavy use, I never found myself reaching for the charger before the end of the day. And when you do need to charge, the S25 supports 45-watt fast charging. You can get from 0% to 100% in about an hour. Wireless charging is also an option. The S25 supports 15-watt wireless charging, so you can easily top up your battery throughout the day. Section 7. One UI 6, Samsung's software experience. The S25 runs on Samsung's One UI 6, which is based on Android 14. One UI has come a long way. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's packed with features. Samsung has really focused on making the software experience more user-friendly. There are plenty of customization options. You can tweak the look and feel of the interface to your liking. And with features like Samsung DeX and Link to Windows, the S25 seamlessly integrates with your other devices. Section 8. The verdict: is the S25 right for you? So, the big question, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 the right phone for you? This is a question that many potential buyers are asking themselves. With so many options available in the market, making the right choice can be overwhelming. The S25 stands out with its impressive features and premium build, but does it meet your specific needs and preferences? If you're looking for the best of the best, then yes. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is designed for those who want top-tier performance and cutting-edge technology. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. From its sleek design to its powerful internals, the S25 is built to impress. It's a true flagship phone. This means it comes with all the bells and whistles you would expect from a high-end device. The attention to detail in its construction, the quality of materials used, and the overall user experience are all top-notch. It has everything you could ask for: stunning design, incredible display, powerful performance, amazing camera, long-lasting battery, and refined software. The design is not just about looks, it's ergonomic and feels great in the hand. The display is vibrant and sharp, making everything from videos to games look fantastic. The performance is smooth and fast thanks to the latest processor and ample RAM. The camera system is versatile and capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in various conditions. The battery life ensures you can go through your day without constantly searching for a charger, and the software is intuitive, offering a seamless user experience. However, all of this comes at a price. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is not a budget-friendly option. It's aimed at those who are willing to invest in a premium device. The cost reflects the quality and the advanced features it offers. The S25 is a premium phone with a premium price tag. This means that while it offers a lot, it also requires a significant financial commitment. It's important to consider whether the features and performance justify the cost for you personally. If you're on a budget, there are more affordable options out there. Many mid-range phones offer excellent performance and features at a fraction of the cost. It's worth exploring these options if you're looking to save money while still getting a good smartphone experience. But if you want the ultimate Android experience, the S25 is worth every penny. It's a device that delivers on all fronts, providing a premium experience that few other phones can match. Whether it's for work, play, or capturing memories, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is a top contender. So weigh your options, consider your needs, and decide if the S25 is the right fit for you. Section 9. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is a statement phone. It's a testament to Samsung's innovation and commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. It's a phone that demands attention. From the moment you pick it up, you know you're holding something special.